Guys, good morning to you all. Welcome back to Little Guide. If today is your first time coming across this page, don't forget to like and also subscribe to the channel. Okay, so I'm back again with another presentation on lunchtime. I've been away for some time now, so I'm back again with another lunchtime and tea time. Okay, so pay close attention and watch all through the video. All right, guys. So before we get started, here is our code for today. Okay, here is the code for today. 2 2 1 12 2 2 5. Okay, 4 3 7. Okay, so here is our code for today. Right, I've taught you guys how to break this code. You just break it and take the numbers, minus the numbers, okay, that has dropped before, and take the ones that has not, okay, and try it out and see how it goes. All right, so when it comes to this code right now, if you are looking at the code, you can see that we can find 40, we can find 25 there, right? We can find 22 there. Okay, we can find 4 there. All right, so we can find 47 there. Okay, we can find 12 there. All right, we can find 12 there. So it's 25 4 22. So we can also find 34 there. Okay, we can find 34 there. We'll find 47. We can find 17. Okay, we can find 17. All right, we can find 35. Okay, we can also find 7 there. All right, so here is the numbers we're gonna find from that. There's a whole lot of numbers that should come out from here, but I'm just gonna be picking these few. Okay, as the numbers that's based on what I have in my head right now. Okay, so here is the numbers I'm seeing. So all you need to do is just to take these numbers, pay it out, all right, and try it out both lunchtime and tea time. Okay, so that is how it goes. Pair the numbers together, or if you know how to choose, you can choose from there. Okay, so it's very simple, right? It's very, very simple. You can choose from here. Okay, all right, guys. So another thing I want to show you guys, so we are done with the code for today. So another thing I want to show you guys is the bankers, right? It's the bankers. These days UK is playing, I don't know, left side. Okay, so I'm still surprised at this banker. Look at here. All right, okay, so if you look here right now, you see that we have 30 there, and we also have 30 here. So if you also go down, you'll see that we also have 30s. Okay, so I'm surprised that here up to this point here, even from the down there, that this number never showed up, 28. All right, I'm surprised that number never showed up, 28. Okay, 28. So even if they want to plus this number right now, it's gonna be 60, and that 60, we don't have up to 60 numbers, so just gonna remove that 0 from the front, which we already have 6 here. I don't know why they are delaying that number, unless they want to push it into the code ball. So I don't know, but for right now, that number is nowhere to be found on the code ball, so the number is cool. All right, so and even if they want to remove the 0 from the back, we already have 3 here. We already have 3 there, and we have couples of 3. Are they going to repeat 3 again? It's something I don't understand. Okay, so we should be expecting that 28. All right, we should be expecting 28. Okay, all right, guys. So that is it. That is it. All right, guys. So before I show you guys the bankers, I just want to mention these numbers. You see these numbers right here. Okay, look here. Okay, so we can just, maybe we can get banker from this number here, right here. Okay, we can get banker from here. All right, this 26, if this number will bring number, right, we'll be able to capture it. All right, so from this number right now, if you see this number right now, if you turn that number, it will give us 29. That's this same number 26, because what he did here is 2 times. So this number right now, okay, it will give us 11. And I'm also surprised that 11 never drove up to this point. All right, and also this same number will give us 47. Okay, this same number will give us 47, guys. All right, that number will give us 47. Okay, and if they decide to plus this number, right, it will become 42. Okay, it will become 42, it will become 52, right? If they decide to plus 26 plus 26, it will be 52. So we don't have up to 52 in UK 49, so we're gonna turn that number to 25. All right, so even if they want to split that number here, maybe 5 and 2, we already have 2 here, we have 5 here. So unless they want to repeat 2 or repeat 3 again, or what they want to do. All right, so this is the numbers that we have here. If it comes to the splitting of 26, we already have 6, we have 2, unless they want to repeat those numbers again, because that is what UK is busy doing these days. Okay, so here right now we can capitalize on this number to see if we can get bankers here. All right, so write these numbers down. I have break this 26 down for you. Write the numbers down. Okay, so that is the first thing I want to show you. Okay, so the second number, all right, the second number I want to show you, if in case it brings bonus also, if it brings number also, then you jam these two numbers together, it will give you a pair, right? So the second one is this one here. You can see what 45 did here, right? 45. Okay, and that 45 right now will give us 9. So that 45 will give us 9. All right, and 17. Okay, 9 and 17, unless they want to repeat that 45 again, because that number just come out of the code box. So unless they want to repeat it again, or they just don't want to go that area, or they don't want to bring any number from that number. All right, so if they want to bring numbers from that number, then they will give us these two numbers. It's either one of them to drop. Okay, all right, so most especially 17, because we already have a 9 here, but to be safe, you can just go with stitch with the two of the numbers, right? Unless they decide to repeat 45 again, because even if you want to plus 45, it will give us 9. So even if you plus 45 plus 45, it will give us 90. So which will also gonna remove that 2, that 0 from the back, which will also give us 9. So we are also in the same circle, nowhere to go. So we are here. All right, so let's see how it turns out to be. So from the number 26 will bring is this number, right? 26 will bring 47, right? 11, okay, and the plus will bring 25, and the turning will bring 29. So you can use 9 and say 14, 47, 9, 47, 11, and you can say, yeah, 47, 9, 11, 9, 25, 9, 29, 9. Okay, so when you're done with that, you can also say 17, 47, 17, 11, 17, 17, 25, 17, 29. Okay, So if these two numbers will be able to bring one number, then you can get a pair. But if one of the numbers bring number and the other one, let's say 26 is ready now to bring number, right? Or even maybe 26 can even have two numbers here. All right, let's say 26 is ready to bring number and 29 and 45 refuse to bring these numbers here, and if you pair it, you see that you're gonna be a lose, right? But if two of them bring numbers, you're gonna win. But if two of them refuse, if one of them refuse to bring based on the agreement, then if you pay it, you're gonna lose. All right, so that is it for those who like shortcut payings. That is what always happens. So that's why sometimes you see left side the numbers will be like 3, the other side is trying to be shortcuts. All right, but for me myself, all I do is just to grab these numbers and pair it together nicely. All right, because some punters don't have money. You understand? Some punters don't have money, so they need that shortcut. You see, that is why you see that those that have money and know what they are doing, they will always see the numbers. Okay, but if you don't have, it will be very difficult for you, because right now if you have number here with 20 rand now, you can be able to make some money. All right, so that is it. So you can do it like this and see how it goes today. Okay, all right guys, so let's pick some other numbers. Okay, let's pick some other numbers. All right guys, so when it gets to the purple ball, okay, when it gets to the purple ball, you can see that the purple ball there, you can see that we have this number, we have this number 41, okay, and we have which other numbers coming from that purple ball. So a lot of them, I have studied those numbers that will come from that purple ball, even 48, okay, even 34 has come there before. Look at 44 in the last 10th row, 34 is there, 6 is there, okay, in the last 10th row, okay, 41 keep on repeating, and that 41 is still on the hot ball, so that number, don't be surprised to see it again today. All right, so when it gets to that purple ball, the only number left to drop from that ball, you can also see that we have 13 is also there. So the only number left to drop from that place, if they want to, is 20. All right, is the only number that left to drop from the purple ball. Okay, and another number is 40, which is on the code ball. That number can also pull out. All right, so these numbers, okay, from the purple and from the brown ball, these two numbers is never drop from those two colors, right? So that is it. Okay, all right guys, so when it comes to 40s, right, when it comes to 40s, you can see that we are missing with 47 and 46. These numbers, when you look here, you see that we have 48, we have these numbers 48, 45. Okay, so now when you go down, you see that this 46, especially last drop, I think it was on the 10 or on the 9 was the last time this number dropped, so we should be expecting this number. Okay, these two numbers, one of them may bust out today, so it's under probability, all right, that one of them may drop today. Okay, all right guys, so for the bankers that I have, that I will ask you guys to try it out and see how it goes. I've showed you guys the first trick, right, that you guys can follow. So the numbers I have for today will be 36, C12, 15, okay, 28, 28, 34, 34, 38. Okay, 38, 38, 20. Okay, this is the numbers that I have today. All right, so why I say 36 is because if you guys watch here, you see that we have 1 here. Sorry. Okay, we have 1 here. All right, and we also have 1 here. Okay, and we have 37. We got 37 here. We also have that number. Yes, we also have this 37 here. Okay, so that is why I'm saying 36, right? 36 to drop. And when you watch here, you also see that we have the splitting of that number. Yeah, I was even expecting that number yesterday. Okay, 36. All right, these are the numbers I was expecting, and I paired this number as a 3 to be 3 numbers, but 36 is disappointed. Okay, so I'm expecting that number there, 36, to drop. Okay, because the number is missing currently right now, unless they want to push it into the cobalt. So I don't know, because they splitted it there. So we should expect that number. All right. Okay, guys. So another number, when it comes to 12 here, all right, you can see that we have this 24 here. All right, we have 24 there. 24 dropped twice, right? Yes, we have 24 here also. Okay, we have 24 there, and that number has turned to 42. Okay, so and we also have 21. All right, so now we should be expecting 12 there. We should be expecting 12 because that number will trigger 12. And another thing that will bring 12 is we'll have 48 here, and we also have this 32 here. Okay, so we should be expecting 12 unless they want to drop these numbers, unless they don't want to bring numbers from these 2 bankers. Then all right, so that is it. Okay, so we should be expecting 12. That is why I picked 12 there. Okay, that is why I picked 12. All right, so that is it. So if 48 repeats, if 48 repeat or 32 repeat, you will not see 12. It's very simple, guys. It's very simple. All right, so here we have 15, right? I'm having 15, and why I picked 15 is because 15 burst out of the code ball, and 2, that number is still sitting on the code ball, and the number has dropped twice already. So why it's still sitting on the code ball shows that number still have mission to accomplish, right? And when you come here, you also see that number splitted here, which is 15. So we should be expecting 15. Okay, we should be expecting 15, right? Okay, guys. Okay, I mistakenly remove this thing here. Okay, so our bankers, because I want to explain to you guys how this thing is going. Okay, so UK is very crazy these days. That UK 49. But anyhow, I must surely find a way to get something for the day. All right, 38, 20. Okay, so here is the bankers that I give you. And when it comes to this 28 here, 28, I showed you guys exactly what 30 did here, and I just narrated to you guys. Okay, so another thing you guys should know that will also bring this this 28 is if you watch it, we'll see that we have 14 there. We also have 14 here. So when you do plus there, 14 plus 14, it will also give us that 28. All right, if they want to turn that number, we already have 41 here, unless they want to repeat that 14 again. So see right now, because of their repeating number, they may decide to take us by surprise by repeating 14 again. But if not, they should bring 28 or they will bring 34. These two numbers, right? 28 on 34 is under 14, right? 14 supposed to bring these numbers. All right, 14 and 30 supposed to bring these two numbers. Okay, so now another thing we should look at for is this 38. Okay, 38 is because we have this 29 here, and this 29 is still on a mission because it's still dropped twice or three times and it's still sitting on the odd wall. But I don't think they will drop this number tomorrow. Oh, it's likely. You can say what will happen. All right, so here right now we can see that we have 2 here. Okay, so we should be expecting this 38. All right, we should be expecting that 38. Okay, 38 guys, 38. All right, so you can see here we have this number 20. All right, we have 20. So when you go down, you will see that we have 25. So I'm still expecting 25 to also make a repeat, but before then we should also be expecting this number that 25 should bring. All right, we already have 2 here, so we should be expecting this 20, okay, to drop, unless they have another mission for that 20. Okay, so now you can pair these numbers and try it out. All right, if it comes, it comes. If it doesn't, you try another draw. All right, so that is it. So from the number 26 will bring, this number 26 will bring 47, okay, 11, right, 25, okay, 29. All right, so you can use these numbers to do shortcuts here. So you can use these numbers to do shortcuts here. All right, because if you pair these numbers right now, I think it will be like 10 numbers. That 10 numbers will give you like 36 tickets. So that is it. But if you want to do shortcut, you can do shortcut here to shorten your ticket. So if 36 bring maybe 2 numbers and the 2 numbers is here, then you're gonna jam like 4 tickets, right? I hope that makes sense. If UK decide to go accordingly. But if they keep on jumping, look at what they are doing with 3, look at what they are doing with 8. You can see there. So if they keep on jumping, then, because what you guys don't understand is that any number that drop here has bankers that is supposed to bring. But if that number repeats again, that number will block those numbers, will block those bankers from dropping. All right, so that is it. That's one thing you guys should know. All right, so 11, I don't know what is delaying 11 and 47. Now the problem is because 26 repeated again, so he blocked that 11 and 47. Okay, so this is it guys, and as you guys can see, me personally, I can win anytime, any day. This is you guys can see from the starting of the video some of my tickets, like the one I played on Saturday. I think it was on Saturday, like on from on the 11th, 10, 16. Okay, so I didn't play on Sunday. All right, so you can see it there. I just picked those ones just to. All right, so that is it guys, and as you guys can see, you can see my number on the screen. So if you want to join my WhatsApp group, you can also use the number on the screen there, which is 200 rand per month. Okay, if you want to give it a try, you can knock on me. Okay, all right guys, so that is it. So there I will be getting the number and I will be paying it for you. All right, so all you need to do is just to copy it and try it out and see how it goes. Okay, all right guys, so that is exactly what I just want to show you guys today. And don't forget to give this video a like and also leave me a comment if you have any question. Right, if you have any question, leave me a comment under the comment box below. Okay guys, for now I'll leave you guys here and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.